Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Fire Sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Bali, take only what resonates ha. Hindi po ito personal reading, general reading po ito. So, pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Pag hindi ka nakarelate, wag pilitin. Check mo na lang yung ibang videos. And, by the way, meron akong available ngayon na tarot reading, astrological reading, mamili ka kung alin doon. Doon sa TikTok shop, may available tayo yan. Pero limited lang guys, parang mga nasa 7 lang yung available. It's like a crystal bracelet. So kung ang medyo marami pa doon is yung astrological reading. Yan, compatibility or astrological reading. Check mo na lang sa TikTok shop. Okay? So, let's start. This is for the fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. General reading. Pa-comment ako dyan, guys, sa baba. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko yung comment. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin kasi nagpapakita yun ng suporta, pagmamahal, at natutuwa po ako mag-reading pag may mga nagko-comment, guys. Kahit po heart-heart lang. Knight of Swords, the Sun is here. Bottom of the deck is the Five of Pentacles. So, with the Knight of Swords, I feel like currently may mga action ka or may mga ginagawa ka na parang hindi ka ganyan dati eh. Parang kumbaga nagsha-shine ka ngayon, lalo na with the Sun. Pwedeng may mga action ka na hindi mo akalain na kaya mo, or ganun ka pala kagaling, or ganun ka pala na kaya mo rin palang mag-lead or what. So, whatever this is, yung iba talento, yung iba naman, some kind of action na may kinalaman sa iyong career or what. But definitely, maaaring may kinalaman, kaya mo na ilalabas yung ganon dahil sa problems mo with regards to money or family, I don't know, alin man doon sa dalawang nabanggit ko. Pero some of you, ganon. Kumbaga, halimbawa, example lang to, I'm not saying that this is your situation. Pero yung iba sa inyo, halimbawa, ang dami mong, o meron kang trabaho or racket ngayon, tapos, ginagalingan mo ng husto dyan. Kasi nagkakaroon ka ng problema eh. Kasi may problema ka. And hindi mo alakalain na kaya mo palang maging ganito, kaya mo palang maging ganyan, ganon. Kasi, in the past, might be, nasanay ka sa parang nasa shadow ka lang or nasa ano ka lang, hindi ka masyado napapansin. But now, kahit ikaw napapabilib ka sa sarili mo dahil sa mga naipapakita mo ngayon. Okay? Now, sino ba tong person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? By the way, this is love reading, guys. So, if you want money, career, siguro later ko siya gagawain. Pero ilalagay ko kasi sa title yon, money or career. Okay. The star is here and the Five of Swords, bottom of the deck is the Hierophant. Yeah, this is a person na parang nai-inspire ka niya eh. With the star, maybe with the Five of Swords, there's this energy na parang feeling mo anytime itong taong to kaya niyang mawala or umalis sa buhay mo because you see this person as someone who is better than you, no? And mas maaring mas maganda, mas magaling, sabihin na natin ganon. Pero ikaw pala, meron ka pa palang mas maisha-shine or mas may igagaling pa. Okay, mas madali lang siyang mapansin. And you do have here the Hierophant and the Temperance. Ayan. Taurus and Sagittarius energy. The Chariot is here. Ayan. Cancer is also here. But anyway, sa nakikita natin, this is like your teacher. Kung either literal na may mga ginaguide siya sa'yo, or nai-inspire ka lang, kaya mas lalong na ilalabas mo yung mga talento mo or galing mo because of this person. Okay, so ano yung mga emotions niyo sa isa't isa? Huwag pilitan guys ha, pag hindi nakaka-relate. Okay, emotion ninyo is the 7 of Cups. This is your emotion towards this person. Hindi ko kukunin tong nasa taas guys, masyadong marami. I will just take this two right here na nalaglag. The Wheel of Fortune and the 9 of Swords. Okay, so sabi ko nga, pwedeng nagkakaroon ka ng kalungkutan ngayon because of mga pagbabago na nangyayari ngayon sa buhay mo. You do have the High Priestess, the Death card, yan, bottom of the deck. So, might be, marami kang gustong ma-achieve sa buhay mo, and might be, some of you, parang medyo nalalabuan kang ma-achieve yung mga bagay na yun ngayon. I feel like pagdating sa family, pwedeng ito yung pinaghuhugutan mo ng lakas ngayon. Okay, sa kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan mo. Emotion naman ng person na ito. By the way, nakakaamoy ako ng peanut butter. This could be your reading. Wait lang guys. Emotion ng person na ito. Knight of Coins. 7 of Coins. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Wands. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. So, ang emotion ng taong ito is, actually, nakafocus siya sa money eh. Career, money. Yeah. Maaaring may mga bagay siyang sinisimulan or gustong simulan. This person is, I can see communication sa inyong dalawa. May mga bagay siyang hindi sinasabi sa'yo. Like, there's secrets. And, pero, I feel like kasi ayaw kanyang masaktan. So, if you would know this secret, maaaring hindi mo matanggap or hindi mo magustuhan, masasaktan ka, etc. So, I can see a secret. Okay? So, what will happen in the future for you, fire sign? You do have the 6 of Swords, the Chariot. One last card. 6 of Pentacles. The side ng person mo. There's 3 cards. You do have here the Hanged Man, the 10 of Swords, and the 8 of Pentacles. 8 of Cups. Sorry about that. Kasi parang hindi ko alam kung anong mararamdaman mo, but anyway. Kasi medyo mahirap sa akin i-deliver yung message minsan pag alam kong medyo mahirap tanggapin or masakit. But you need to hear this. The way I see this with the 6 of Pentacles, in the future there's this balance energy sa'yo. Parang you would feel like parang okay naman, ganyan. May equal give and take. Pero, maaring ikagulat mo kasi itong bagay na ito. Wherein, with the Hanged Man, pwedeng itong taong to may hinihintay siya in the future. And, maybe hanggang ngayon. Maybe ngayon, present moment. And maybe in the past, hinihintay niya na to. Kaya lang, parang nilet go niya or hinayaan niya lang. Kaya lang, the problem is once na dumating with the 10 of Swords, pwede magkaroon ng ending sa inyong dalawa pagdating nung hinihintay niya. With the 8 of Cups, this person possible na you are the sun, but yung person mo is waiting for the moon. You know what I mean? Yung parang, kasi siya yung star dito sa main energy niya. And you are the sun. Pero ayaw ka niya. Maybe you do have a lot of similarities. Marami kayong pinagkakasunduan. Marami kayong, the star, yung sun kasi is a kind of star din yan eh. Kaya lang yun yung pinakamalapit sa Earth. You know? And the star is like malayo sila. Pero kasing halos kasing laki or even mas malaki pa nga sila sa sun. Malayo lang talaga sila. You know what I mean? Ngayon, the way I see this, pwedeng marami kayong similarities kasi both of you, technically pareho kayong mga stars. No? So, marami kayong pagkakapareho. Pero, yung person mo, which is the star, is not looking for the sun. Ayoko ng kapareho ko. Maybe this person wants someone na opposite, and sometimes opposite attracts, or someone na parang mas mag-grow siya because siya yung star and kailangan niya ng moon sa buhay niya. And maybe the moon is someone in the past. Ngayon, itong moon na ito, pwedeng magpakita, magparamdam, or gumawa ng action towards your person in the future. And that's the end of the story sa inyong dalawa. The Chariot, I can see you walking away, leaving this person, and then nakakita tayo ng pag-move on mula sa'yo. You do love this person. Mahal ka rin niya. Yun nga lang, maybe alam niya sa sarili niya na hindi ikaw yung kailangan niya. Or hindi higit, kumbaga, maaring meron siyang isa pang minamahal at maaring mas nahigitan ka noon. Okay? And yan. This is your person with the Ace of Cups and the Knight of Cups. Mas tinetreasure niya yung binibigay na or mas alam niya na mas mahal niya yung isa kesa sa'yo. And there's a possibility of a relationship and honesty sa side ng person mo. And once that happened, the tower moment sa inyong dalawa ay posibleng mangyari, which is an ending of your relationship connection dahil bumalik na yung isa. Okay? So thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.